In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own signature in Docusign, adding a personal touch to your documents. Whether you're an avid user or just getting started with Docusign, having the ability to use your own signature can add a professional and personalized touch to all your digital documents. This will make them more authentic and suitable for both personal and business needs. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Docusign website. Simply open your favorite web browser and enter the URL for Docusign into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll likely be greeted by Docusign's homepage or a login screen if you're not already logged in. Docusign is a powerful digital tool, and logging in ensures all your preferences and documents are available to you. So make sure you use your correct login credentials to access the system securely. Once you're logged in and on the home screen, you'll see your name displayed on the top of the page. Clicking on your name is your next step. This action helps you access your personal settings and signature configurations. It's a simple click, but it opens up a host of opportunities to personalize and manage your experience with Docusign. You'll find a growing list of options to help you customize how you interact with your documents. After clicking your name, you'll want to guide your attention to the Draw option. This might be located in a tab or a section that deals with signatures. By selecting Draw, you're opting to create a custom signature using your own handwriting, rather than settling for a standard digital one. This is the part where technology meets personalization. Drawing your signature is quite intuitive. Use your mouse or a stylus, if you're on a touch-enabled device, to craft your signature as you'd write it on paper. Take your time with this. You want your signature to be clear and representative of your usual signing style. Once it's drawn, don't forget to save your changes. This action ensures that your newly created signature will be available for use on any document you choose to sign via Docusign in the future. That's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully personalized your Docusign experience by integrating your own signature into your digital documents. This customization not only maintains the authenticity of your documents, but also enhances your digital communication, making every signed document uniquely yours. Remember, a personal signature is an integral part of your professional identity. Using your own signature in Docusign combines the convenience of electronic documentation with the authenticity of a handwritten sign-off, making your documents more credible and personal. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to update your signature or refine the details, because it's all about making your digital experience as genuine and efficient as possible.